Today we are going to learn a very important topic of Sanskrit language, that is Sandhi. We can define Sandhi like this: when any syllable is followed by other syllable and if there is any change occurs, then Sandhi takes place. In Sanskrit, the definition is Swara Vyanjana Melanayoho Madhye Yada Vikaraha Bhavati Tadha Sandhi Bhavati, which means when there is combination of swara, that is vowels, and vyanjan, that is consonant, and if any change takes place, then that change is only called as sandhi. For example, we have two words, Veda plus Anta. If we separate the word Veda, then the Varna Vichhed will be Va plus A plus Da plus A. Similarly, if we will do the Varna Vichhed of the word Anta, it will be A plus Na plus Ta plus Ha. So, the last syllable of the first word Veda is A, and the first syllable of the last word Anta is A. So, by the rule of Sandhi, the result will be A plus A equals to A, and the new word will be Veda plus Anta equals to Vedanta. Similarly, we do have one more example. Ratna plus Akaraha equals to Ratnakara. Ratna word ends in A and Akaraha word starts with A. So, by the rule of Sandhi, the new word will be Ratnakaraha. Sandhi in Sanskrit is one of the most important basic topic of grammar. Various time what happen when the speaker talk in Sanskrit, then the rule says that the speaker has to say the words, Sanskrit words, by breaking the sandhi, by separating them. And while writing in Sanskrit, we have to make the sandhi, means we have to combine the word with the given examples of the sandhi. So sandhi, basically there are three types: Swara Sandhi, Visarga Sandhi and Vyanjan Sandhi. Swara Sandhi, that is the Sandhi of vowels. Visarga Sandhi, that is Sandhi which takes place between the vowel and the Visarga. One more type is there, Vyanjan Sandhi, that is Sandhi of vowel and consonant or consonant plus consonant. So in your syllabus, there are types of Swara Sandhi. So basically Swara Sandhi is also of various types, but in your school syllabus, these are the sandhis which you have to study. The main topics are Dirgha Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, Yana Sandhi and Ayadi Sandhi. So, as per your syllabus, we will study Dirgha Sandhi first. Now, the rules of Dirgha Sandhi are: when A or A is followed by A or A, the result is A. Here, four conditions are possible, like A plus A becomes A. A plus A also becomes A. Then A plus A also become A, and A plus A also become A. So in any condition we get the result A, and A is a Dirgha Svar, and that's why this Sandhi is also called as Dirgha Sandhi. So we will see some examples. Veda plus Anta equals to Vedanta, because Veda ends in A and Anta starts with A, so A plus A equals to A. Similarly, Deva plus Alayah, Devalayah. Vidya plus Arthi, Vidyarthi. Vidya plus Alayah, Vidyalayah. So if you see carefully, everywhere you are getting the result A, and that's why this is called as Dirgha Sandhi, because A is a Dirgha Swar. Now we will see the second rule. When E or Dirgha E is followed by E or Dirgha E, the result is Dirgha E. Rule of Dirgha Sandhi only. When Rasva E or Dirgha E is followed by Rasva E or Dirgha E, the result is Dirgha E. We'll see the example of this rule. Kavi plus Indraha, Kavindraha. Giri plus Ishaha, Girishaha. Ati plus Eva, Ativa. Rajani plus Ishaha, Rajanishaha. Here also we can see one example. Kavi is ending in E and Indra starts with E, so E plus E becomes Dirgha E. Now we'll see one more rule of Dirgha Sandhi. Rasvahu or Dirghahu is followed by Rasvahu or Dirghahu. The result is Dirghahu. We'll see the example of this rule. Bhanu plus Udayah, Bhanudayah. Dhenu plus Urja, Dhenurja. Su plus Uktihi, Suktihi. Vadhu plus Urja, Vadhurja. Here also we will see one example. Bhanu ends in U and Udayah starts with U, so U plus U becomes Dirgha U, Bhanudayah. Now we'll see one more example, one more rule of Dirgha Sandhi. Rasvaru or Dirgharu is followed by Rasvaru or Dirgharu. The result is Dirgharu. Some pronounce that Ru as Ri also. This is a very rare vowel, so we'll get a very few example of this. So we'll see the example of this rule. Matra plus Ranam, Matra Ranam. Pitru plus Ranam, Pitru Ranam. Now we will move towards another Sandhi, that is Guna Sandhi. Now we will see the first rule of Guna Sandhi. When A or A is followed by E or Dirgha E, the result is A. We'll see the example of this rule. Sura plus Indraha equals to Suredraha. Shubha plus Ichha is equals to Shubhecha. Gana plus Ishaha equals to Ganeshaha. Here also if we see the first example, Sura ends in A and Indra starts with E, so A plus E equals to A. Now we'll see one more example, one more rule of Guna Sandhi. When A or A is followed by U or Dirgha U, the result is O. We'll see the example of this rule. Surya plus Udayah equals to Suryodayah. Jala plus Urmihi equals to Jalormihi. If we'll see the first example, Surya ends in A and Udayah starts with U, so A plus U becomes O, and that's why the result is Suryodayah. Now we'll see one more rule of Guna Sandhi. When A or A is followed by R, the result is R. We'll see the example of this rule. Deva plus Rishihi, Devarshihi. Maha plus Rishihi, Maharshihi. Varsha plus Rutuhu, Varshartuhu. We'll see the first example. Deva ends in A and Rishihi starts with ru. So a plus ru equals to ar, and that's why it has become devarshihi. Okay. Now we'll see Vriddhi Sandhi. The first rule of Vriddhi Sandhi is when a or a is followed by a or I, the result is I. We'll see the example of this. Tava plus eva equals to tavaiva. Eka plus eka equals to ekaikah. Yatha plus eva yathaiva. And tatha plus eva tathaiva. Here also we'll see the first example. Tava ends in a and eva starts with a. So a plus a equals to I, and that's why the result is tavaiva. Now we'll see one more rule of Dirgha Sandhi. When a or a is followed by o or au, the result is au. We'll see the example of this rule. Tandula plus odana, tandulaudanam. Danta plus aushtha, dantaushtha. Vana plus oshadhihi, vanaushadhihi. Maha plus aushadham, mahaushadham. We'll see how it goes. Tandula ends in a and odanam starts with o. So a plus o becomes au, and that's why the result was tandulaudanam. Children, I hope you understood all these rules. So, dear students, we have seen the explanation part of Dirgha, Guna and Vriddhi Sandhi. In the next video, I will explain the remaining rules of Sandhi. If you have any doubt, please write your queries in the comment box given below. Till then, Shubhadinam.